वर्षास वर्सेटाइल चैनल में आप सबका स्वागत है। चलिए दोस्तों, let's begin today's video with Kara Sev, a popular snack of South India. Kara Sev is a crispy deep-fried South Indian snack made from chickpea flour, besan, rice flour, and spices like black pepper, red chili powder, and asafoetida. It is commonly enjoyed during festivals like Diwali or as a tea time snack. The batter is typically pressed through a perforated ladle or save maker before being fried to get its signature crispy texture. It is quite important to gather ingredients before we start the preparation method. Chickpea flour, besan 2 cups, rice flour 1 cup, unsalted butter 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, crushed cumin powder 1 teaspoon, pink salt 3/4 teaspoon, asafoetida hing 1/4 teaspoon, curry leaves 2 tablespoons, refined groundnut oil for frying the snack. Let us follow the steps for preparing the snacks. Firstly, add all the ingredients in the bowl. Chickpea flour, besan 2 cups, rice flour 1 cup, unsalted butter 1 tablespoon, crushed black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, red chili flakes 1 teaspoon, crushed cumin powder 1 teaspoon, pink salt 3/4 teaspoon, asafoetida hing 1/4 teaspoon. I have added butter at room temperature. You can also add hot oil or melted butter and mix well until it resembles breadcrumbs. Gradually add water little by little and knead into a soft but firm dough, not too sticky. The dough is ready for preparing Kara Sev snack. Divide the dough into equal parts and shape them into cylindrical shapes. Coat the Sev maker mold with oil and keep it aside. Heat the oil in a pan or a kadai. Take the cylindrical shaped dough and drop it inside the Sev maker mold and start pressing in the hot oil. Flip the Kara Sev snack on both the sides till the bubbles and sound gets ceased. When the snack turns golden brown color, remove it from the oil and spread it in the kitchen towel to remove excess oil. If you do not have a save maker mold, you can also use a skimmer ladle to prepare Kara Save snack. Now you could see thin strands of gram flour falling into the oil. Keep flipping the snack on both the sides till it turns out to be crispy and golden brown color. Repeat the same procedure for the other batches too. Finally, fry the curry leaves in the oil and sprinkle it on top of the snack to get a good aroma and a flavorful snack. That's it, the snack is ready. Truly delicious. You can enjoy this snack right away or share with your friends. Either way, it's sure to be a hit. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel by pressing the bell icon. Thanks for joining me, viewers. I shall see you next time in my next video. Till then, bye bye.